Digital currencies have slowly saturated the standard awareness and gotten forward momentum. In any case, a considerable lot of them neglect to endure over the extreme long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception. At the point when a progressive resource stepped in, this was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try. For the sake of entertainment, what is a share boundlessness? Axes, being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry. A share limitlessness is based on Ethereum, organization. There are limitless approaches to procuring a share, however being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, i.e., blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of a share vastness. A share boundlessness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing digital money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight, non-fungible token. NFT games have acquired enormous fame around the world. Subsequently, this might help the general development of the share biological system in according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the share universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem, wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and constructs a climate of a solid local area, cutting the guide to an economical stage. Clients can claim the local share vastness of the share commercial center, gather them and use them across a steadily growing universe of games. Conceptualizing the share endlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The upsides of blockchain go past boundaries and the constraints of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, a share boundlessness, Axie, is set to make lives more engaged and speedy. In a remarkable manner, the share boundlessness convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They likewise came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of agents. Axie totally centers around offering clients the advantage of productive information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and impeccable, consequently legitimizing its worldview job in the advanced ecospace. With a market cap of $1,196,533,123 and an exchanging volume of $255,365,742, a share endlessness's ongoing cost activity mirrors a tremendous recuperation. The share vastness's cost waits around $11.84, with a record-breaking high and low of $165.37 and $0.1234. Separately, in the crypto market, a share endlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 101,043,121 Axies, and the pioneers behind a share boundlessness are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of a share limitlessness has a great deal of vows to see for its fans, according to their specialized investigation. As indicated by specialized examination, Axie tokens have been exchanging incredibly negatively. Subsequent to raising a ruckus around town, the token remedied hugely and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Be that as it may, the future cost of a share boundlessness, Axie, is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie the best coin to purchase in 2023? A share vastness universe offers many advantages. However, the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital money market. The market was incredibly unstable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally horrible. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their property. However, for new financial backers, it is a dangerous chance to enter the market. Nonetheless, since the cost is supposed to rise, dealers who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these share boundlessness shards. Unpredictability is the greatest survivor of the crypto market. It settles on speculation choices and forecasts the most difficult. Nonetheless, our unprejudiced crypto figure will make the cycle simpler for you. Will the share boundlessness, Axie, cost exchange higher? Peruse our share boundlessness value expectation to know the fate of the Axie token. As per Wallet Financial Backers' Axie cost forecast, it is a terrible long-haul speculation, as the cost in the following year might drop to $0.343. Though, as indicated by our share limitlessness gauge, the Axie cost could start an upswing and cross $19 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise venture. As per GovCapital, a share limitlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of a share boundlessness might skyrocket to $556.9. making it a wise venture by 2027. While the value expectations examination recommends that the cost of a share boundlessness might reach $239.81 by 2030, a share boundlessness value forecast 2023, or a share boundlessness Axie's cost forecast, recommends that the symbolics cost could record a respectable recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the share boundlessness's cost is determined to have a greatest worth of $12.96, while the typical cost might be around $9.07. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.15. A share boundlessness value forecast 2024. According to our share boundlessness cost expectation, the Axie's coin will precede the upswing as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $18.25, while the base cost might be $12.50. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of $15.38. It is normal that the Axie's financial backers might procure good benefits in the year. A share boundlessness value forecast 2025. A share boundlessness Axie's in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $19.34, while the base and greatest a share vastness cost may be $16.30 and $22.37 individually in view of our share boundlessness gauge. A share vastness value forecast 2026. According to the Axie's cost estimate, Axie's coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $25.15, with a base cost of $20.75. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $22.95. In light of our cost expectations, the share limitlessness coins cost ascend for the year may be enormous. A share boundlessness value expectation 2027. In view of the specialized examination and a share boundlessness expectation, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $26.50, while the base and greatest costs of Axies are expected to be $22.45 and $30.55. A share endlessness value expectation 2028. As indicated by our Axie's coin cost expectation, the greatest worth is expected to be $33.10, while the potential low might be around $24.22. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $28.66 all year long. A share boundlessness value forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the likely high of the coin might have reached $35.15. According to our share endlessness crypto cost expectation. Taking a gander at the past presentation of the share boundlessness, Axes, the base and normal costs might be around $27.50 and $31.33 separately. A share vastness value expectation 2030. In view of Axie's crypto cost expectation, the base, most extreme, and normal costs are anticipated to be $32.75, $40.33, and $36.54 separately. In 2030,